This is a 2007 Ford Edge. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, leather seats, a rear spoiler, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Bobby Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1200 North Highway 288B in Richwood.